The Radco Black Diamond Mist Hard Folding Tonneau Cover is perfect to keep your truck bed safe from the elements and secure, while looking awesome with a rugged black diamond protective coating, and it installs easily in minutes. First, unpack the box and load the side rails into the truck bed on each side of the truck. Be careful not to scratch the bed with the rails. Next, make sure you have all 8 of the clamps for the side rails. Once you have all of the clamps for the side rails, you can spread them out 4 on each side of the truck bed. To secure the side rail of the cover to the bed rail of the truck, hold the cover up snug to the front of the truck, then tighten down the side clamp with a 1/2-inch socket on each side of the truck bed. Make sure you tighten all 4 of the clamps. Once you've tightened all 4 of the clamps on one of the side rails, just do the same on the other side. Tighten down all 4 of the clamps and make sure that it's tight up to the front of the truck on the rail. After both of the side rails are secure, it's time to pull out the cover. First, take it out of the box and place it up on the bulkhead on top of the rails at the front of the box. It should just slide right into position. Then, once you have it in the right spot, you can attach the safety carabiners from the rails to the cover. Once you have the safety carabiners on, you can just unfold it and check your fit, and you're ready for the road. So if you're looking to protect your bed while having an awesome black diamond protected cover, look no further than Radco. Stop on down, and remember, when your truck looks good, you look good.
Radco, your truck accessories pro.